Thank you, guys. Well, folks, they want me to remind you that they are here, representing their cousins in the wild. And it's sad to think that as we sit here, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are being needlessly slaughtered for food. Every year, tens of thousands of marine animals are being poisoned by the waste, washed up in the ocean, and drowned with the fishing nets we carelessly leave behind. This is sad, senseless, but it is true. So it's time for us humans to respect and protect our fragile ocean and all the marine creatures that live in them. Before, they are lost to us forever. Remember, you can make a difference because they are counting on you. So on behalf of our entire Ocean Adventure family, we would like to say thank you for joining us here today. We hope you've enjoyed the show and we hope you have a wonderful day only here at Ocean Adventure. Goodbye everyone!